Across the Eritrean community worldwide, particularly among children and youth refugees, a digital divide exists. Limited access to digital literacy and safe online learning environments leaves many children and adults without the tools they need to thrive in an increasingly developing digital world. Unemployment is high, misinformation is rampant, and social media often distracts rather than educates. Hello, my name is Philmon Tesfation, and I am one of the founders of Eridemy, a unified learning platform designed specifically for the Eritrean community. Eridemy addresses the core challenge faced by many Eritrean refugees: lack of digital literacy, misinformation, and limited access to meaningful learning opportunities. By offering courses in Tigrinya, Eridemy creates a safe and inclusive space for learning that fosters growth and empowerment, free from the distractions and false narratives of social media. Our platform is built for sustainability and accessibility, even in resource-constrained environments, with the mobile-first design, offline learning capabilities, and content that promotes critical skills in computing, AI awareness, and career readiness. We bridge the gap for children and refugees who are left behind in the digital age. Eridemy provides children and adults with the tools to gain skills, fight unemployment, and build a future in a safe, supportive environment. We need UNICEF support to scale this vision. With your innovation fund and mentorship, we can expand our reach, refine our platform, and provide devices and connectivity for those most in need. By partnering with us, you will help empower a generation of Eritreans to learn, grow, and rebuild their future through digital inclusion. Join us in transforming lives. Together, we can create a brighter, more inclusive future for Eritrean children and refugees. Thank you.